Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Investment Mindset. Today is 23rd of February. Happy Thursday. Today, let us look at what stock has the Edge Online call for. I look at the morning call today on the Edge Online and I see that Public Invest Research issued a neutral call for DKSH Holdings, which is stock ticker DKSH, trading on Bursa. It has been downgraded from previously outperformed to neutral with a target price of Ringgit Malaysia $4.68, and the last price this stock was trading at $4.96. DKSH is a healthcare, FMCG and tech company. If you're wondering like me what is FMCG, I did a Google and found out that it stands for fast moving consumer goods. So DKSH is also a leading provider of market expansion services in Asia with a focus on fast-moving consumer goods, food services, luxury goods, as well as fashion and lifestyle products. Now let us take a look at the chart and see if I do agree with the Public Invest Research on a neutral call. This is the chart for DKSH. If you were to look at the chart on macro, it is a downtrending chart, but on micro, it is forming higher low and higher high. This could mean that this stock is trying to break out from the downtrend and form a new uptrend. Let us now zoom into the stock movement on the most recent. In fact, this stock has just reported earnings 2 days ago on the 21st of February. And the earning was good. DKSH has just reported year-over-year a jump of 28.6% to Ringgit Malaysia 28 million in their core net profit, and its revenue has also rose by 11.2% year-over-year to Ringgit Malaysia 1.77 billion. So this explains the jump on the second day from a low of 4 ringgit 0.745 to all-time high of 4 ringgit and 89 cents. So according to Public Invest Research, it has downgraded this stock ticker to neutral with a target price of $4.68. $4.68 would fall somewhere around here. Despite a great earnings and also its increase in revenue, Public Invest Research still downgraded it from outperform to neutral due to Public Invest cautious over the near-term outlook with a decline in consumption projected in the near term due to rising cost of living. If I were to look at this chart, I would say that currently in near term, like for the next few days, this stock has indeed reached its high and has come to a buying exhaustion level. If you look at this trend line, every time when the price were to hit this trend line, it would eventually come down. So you could see that now this stock ticker is almost hitting this trend line as well, and it has also formed a near-term double top. If you were to look at the near-term double top over here, there is also a negative divergence that is forming. See, over here is higher high, but the indicator over here is showing a higher low. With a negative divergence form, it means that the stock has run out of energy and most likely it may want to come down with a probability of over more than 70%. And second point, you see that this stock has also move away from its 20 days moving average, and usually stock would always want to be drawn back to its 20 days moving average prices. So my call would be this stock ticker is not a buy at current level. Instead, wait for it to pull back down and buy it at a strong level of around $4.50 to $4.55, around this level. This is a very strong support line, as you can see. In fact, since July last year, this stock has been trading within this channel. As long as it hit this trend level, this support level, it would go back up, and then once it hit this resistance, it will come back down. Unless this stock is able to push above this strong resistance line, this stock is most likely moving downwards. And as long as it's able to hold within this resistance level, it should move back up. If this stock were to break this strong support level, then be prepared for it to move down further to touch this trend line over here. So my call for today would be similar to Public Invest Research. I would say if you have not bought into this stock yet, wait for it to retrace back into around this level, which is about $4.53 to $4.55 to accumulate it. Should it break down further, if you are looking to accumulate for long term, you can wait for it to come down to around this level before you buy on to your second level. The medium term support level would be around this level of about $4. This would also be a strong support line. So this is my call for today. If you like the content of this video, do like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any stock tickers that you would like me to help you to analyze, feel free to comment it down below. Bye for now, and I shall see you again in my next video.